Hi guys, let's simplify this radical expression really quick. Alright, solution. We have root 10 plus 2 root 21. Alright, so we're going to look for two numbers, let's say a and b, such that uh, root 10 plus 2 root 21 will give us root a plus root b. Okay, and then what we are going to do here is to square both sides so that the square, we cancel the square root here. So by the time we square both sides, we have square root of 10 plus 2 root 21. We square this side and we also square this side. Okay, so now the square, we cancel the square root. We have 10 plus 2 root 21. Also, this, we are going to expand this. Okay, so let me write it out. So we have root a plus root b. Okay, multiplying root a plus root b. Okay, now let's expand that. Let's open the bracket and see. Root a times root a will give us a. Then root a times root b will give us root ab. Now to this, root b times root a will also give us root ab. And then root b times root b will give us b. Right, so now let's put a and b together. We have 10 plus 2 root 21 equals to a plus b together. And then root ab plus root ab will give us 2 root ab. Okay, that is what this will give us. Now let's compare both sides. Let's compare these two sides of the equation. All right, we can say that a plus b is 10. So we have a plus b equals to 10. We can say this is our equation 1. And also, when we look at root ab, we have it to be root 21 at this side. That means that ab is equals to 21. So we can equally say that ab equals to 21. We can say this is equation 2. All right, so now without solving this simultaneously, we can easily know or easily guess what a and what b is. Okay, now let's look at factors of 21. We have 21 times 1 and we have 3 times 7. Okay, so 3 times 7 will give us 21, and also 3 plus 7 will give us 10. That means that our a can be 3, while our b can be 7. Okay, because 3 times 7 is 21, and a plus b, which is 3 plus 7, will give us 10. All right, so we know what a and what b is. Now let's go back to the first equation that we started with, which is root 10 plus 2 root 21 is equals to root a plus root b. It means that when we simplify this, we are going to get this. Now we know what our a is. Our a is 3, and what b is 7. So this is our final answer. If we simplify root 10 plus 2 root 27, our final answer will be root 3 plus root 7. Now let's try this. Let's try this. Let's simplify root 7 plus 4 root 3. Okay, so let's simplify this and write our answer under the comment section. Thanks guys for joining. Don't forget to like, comment your answer, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. See you in my next video.